Hola! Hello there, buenos dias, and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I'm an English woman who's lived in Benidorm for many years, and I love to share news, information and interesting items about the town to all you Benny lovers out there. So let's get started. Today I'm taking you on a visit to the Ozone bowling alley and neighbouring Festelandia Sold Park arcades, which is situated along the Avenida del Mediterraneo, just one street back from the beach, towards the old town end of the resort. An ideal place to enjoy an afternoon or evening, especially at this time of year when the weather might not always be as sunny as you might hope for. It's a great way to while away a bit of time, as well as no doubt a bit of money too. As you enter the Ozone bowling building off the tiled street, you're immediately met by a semicircle of neon equipment, including grab machines, the latest action game capsules, and a try your strength hammer for those who have got something to prove. Heading downstairs via the staircase or a lift on the right hand side, you then reach the underground arcades and bowling alley. Here in this multicoloured illuminated paradise with funky bright carpets and music blasting out, you can find ATMs, change machines and a huge array of games to choose from, as well as toilets in the far corner just to the right of the stairs as you descend for your convenience. The Ozone Centre opens every single day of the week, and current times are from 4 p.m. until quarter to midnight, Mondays to Thursdays, with extended opening hours on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays and bank holidays or fiesta days, when they open at 11 in the morning right through until 1 a.m. The bowling alley section can be found at the very far end of the gaming salon, where there are 10 lanes to choose from. The rental of bowling shoes is obligatory and costs just €1, and lockers for your own footwear and other possessions can be found adjacent to lane 1. Prices per game of bowling are €5 per person during the week and €6 at the weekends, which is classed as Friday to Sunday or again any bank holiday or fiesta day. There is a cafe bar on this upper level with tables and chairs to sit at behind the bowling stations, and this serves a good range of thirst quenchers including soft drinks, milkshakes, beers and even spirits, as well as a small selection of fast food type snacks. Prices are reasonable considering you are literally a captive audience in this location, with juices and pops starting at €2.30, a half of lager costing €1.90 or a full pint priced at €3.60. Hot dogs and burgers are available, as well as toasted sandwiches, which start at €3.20, with the usual fillings of ham, cheese and tuna on offer, with additional ingredients to pick from at an additional cost according to your preference. If you have a birthday coming up for a little or not so little one, then parties and other celebrations can be arranged with the staff. And I did in fact see an 11th birthday cake on standby at the bar, waiting for its candles to be blown out after the bowling had stopped. The variety of arcade machines and games to be found here is incredible, and as well as the latest up-to-date war and zombie games, there are also traditional pool tables, air hockey tables, whack-a-clown games, spin the wheel, basketball and much more. Next door in the Festelandia Sold Park building, which is only separated from the Ozone building block by an ATM and the entrance to residential apartments, you can find a full gaming zone dedicated to nothing but noise, neon and out-and-out competition. Footage from this outlet has also been interspersed into the vlog you're watching today. Here you can find penny slots and coin pushers, grabbers, sports-themed equipment and video game cabins too, and for some games you can try and win tickets to exchange for prizes, mostly aimed at the younger generation, which are displayed at the main ticket and information desk. You can buy rechargeable cards here for the games and rides at the adjacent outdoor kiddies fairground, and as the balance does not expire, you can use them next time you visit as well. The Ozone company, who own the bowling alley and building, have now been operating for nearly 50 years, as they proudly boast in fluorescent letters outside their premises. They have centres in 20 other Spanish destinations as well as Benidorm, and have even more planned soon. The history goes that back in 1974, José Antonio Quered managed to make his hopeful vision come true by installing the first approved bowling alley in the city of Benidorm. Amazingly, at that time, 10-pin bowling was a product banned by the government, and only tenacity, dreams and the overconfidence of youth made Mr. Quered build his outlet on the Avenida del Mediterraneo without having the licence to even import the equipment. However, as we know, this story did have a happy ending, and the licence arrived miraculously in 1974 when the premises were practically finished. It was at this precise moment when Ozone Bowling was born. The company now has over 300 employees, and their ethos is to provide a good working environment to promote the local economy and above all to create and maintain fun, safe leisure spaces that everyone can enjoy. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. I'll now let you sit back and watch the rest of the video, and if you're enjoying it, please consider becoming a subscriber, as well as checking out some of my many other vlogs, which include detailed street and beach walks with lots of info, reviews on lots of Benidorm's most popular hotels with a fly-on-the-wall look inside and out, as well as tons of local information, news and updates. I'll see you out and about next time, and thanks so much for watching as always. Literally every view and comment counts and is much appreciated. And if you have any suggestions, then please let me know. Bye for now, hasta luego, and see you soon. Happy bowling! Cheers!